You might have heard a lot of stuff about chocolate fondants and how difficult they are to cook. They're not, they're easy. Watch this. Okay, so we've got all the lovely ingredients. We are good to go. I use Dario molds. They're worth buying. They're about £1.50, £2 each. Brush the inside of the Dario molds with butter. Put them in the freezer to let them freeze. Then brush them with butter again. And then put in cocoa powder. Turn them around so they're fully coated. This is going to ensure that the chocolate fondants come out clean every time. Then get your dark chocolate and your butter, melt it in the microwave. Then I'm putting my castor sugar, my brown sugar, my egg yolks and eggs into a whisk. Whisk them up until they're nice and thick and creamy like this. Then I'm adding the flour until that's well mixed in. Then I'm adding the chocolate and butter mixture, mixing that in until it's nice and combined. You should end up with quite a loose cake mixture like this. Then 3/4 fill the Dario molds, put them back in the freezer. This is really important. This is going to ensure that the outside cooks and the inside stays molten when they're finally baked. They can stay in the freezer for as long as you like. When you bake them, 14 minutes, 180 degrees. Just loosen around the top with a knife and then turn them out. They should come out just like this. You can serve yours with any kind of sauce, or ice cream or cream. I'm serving mine with a salted caramel ice cream for pure indulgence.
Oh, it's so good.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button. I'd also love you to leave me a comment and subscribe so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. See you next time.